Kwetukungo is to drive football into a position whereby it looks more professional. Sibonga kakhulu nje ukuthi sithole le support studio namhlonishwa lowasilingane bakaSibebe. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sipartnerishe naSibebe. I think so bang two we are achieving our objectives ethu. We call this sort of a total package with sponsorship because the clubs they do benefit. There's an administration fee to administer the games. And now Segunabo Rafaela, who are conducting the games and the like, who make sure we would see Emma games are hambagadle, Emma ground in computer, those competing clubs. I'm hopeful with the uniform, it will motivate them. Gakulu Rafaela. Ipola is changing begnene. Accessio in leisure. It's not only about leisure. Football is becoming an industry. Ngidawuthatha nje nama teams abesirepresentile ku-CAF. If they had gone further step, they are bringing donation forex into the country in an equivalent of about 6.9 million. So you can imagine that is an instant money kungena nje ku the next stage. We are not counting the sports tourism that then this is experienceable nasekudlala lama tournaments. Imagine hosting Orlando Pirates. Oh no, team lenkulu koJayini Chiefs.
Yes.
In the country, Pirates seyiphumile futhi. Chiefs ngathi sesekhona eDingweni. So you can imagine hosting that in the country. You will assure me that we don't have that capacity in terms of hotels. We have to be relinquished into debt. So football is changing. It's another industry which we feel will mandate a veloci. I support a sports bill we act because you can see it takes a lot of EU. They are still part of EU. You can get an employment. I think 90 minutes, then you get something like, if I'm not mistaken, it should be in the region of 700 to 800 US dollars in 90 minutes. You can imagine, 800 US dollars, multiply that by 17. It's a lot of money. As bonke into lesendako asiphathe ngetandla dotimbili sitimisele kiko real sitimisele nje kakhulu kiko ukuthi lento le angendele sive angendele nanami netizukulwane kube legendary whatsoever that we are doing. It is very important ukuthi yonke into lo yendako yendisise to your best ability kumntwa kakhulu. The winner, I would like to warn the referees. Hey, game. I want to remind people let us desist from that match fixing. Which look into those issues. Ethics committee. We are suspend our Porsche Poland. And when we were fixed certain matches. And in Jelobusen Kogan Bateganjena, Askakati would see a game, he best say decide one Rafael. I decided my teams, compete fairly. Say Bonin Leganja. Nine is to ensure we would see the results that we got at the end are the true reflection of the strength Salamatins Ladendal. That's what we encourage you on. Please, guys, let us go and do well. And this Bongagakulu nje ukuthi sibebe sisigqokise boRafaela. It's a face of its own kind, especially in Zimba. kuba nasa sponsorship. Asibonge kakhulu, sibonge nemedia in our midst ukuthi itshela umhlaba ngalokwendekako emzimba nakaho ezokhona. Asibonge kakhulu.